The Porsche 917 is a legendary sports car that dominated the racing scene in the late 1960s and early 1970s. Its iconic design, powerful engine, and incredible racing success have made it one of the most sought-after classic cars in the world. History. The Porsche 917 was developed in 1968 as a replacement for the Porsche 908, which had been successful in sports car racing. The 917 was designed to compete in the Can-Am series and the 24 Hours of Le Mans. The early versions of the 917 faced challenges with reliability and handling. However, Porsche engineers made significant improvements to the car, and it eventually became a dominant force in racing. The 917 won the 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1970 and 1971, and also achieved success in other racing series. In addition to its racing success, the 917 also became an icon of automotive design. Its sleek and aerodynamic bodywork, combined with its powerful engine, made it a desirable and collectible car. Design and engineering. The Porsche 917 was designed by Hans Mesger, a legendary engineer who was also responsible for the Porsche 911. The car featured a lightweight aluminum chassis, a powerful 5.4-liter flat 12 engine, and a sophisticated suspension system. The 917 was available in several different body styles, including a short-tail coupe, a long-tail coupe, and a Spider open-top version. The car's aerodynamics were carefully designed to optimize its performance on the track. Racing success. The Porsche 917's most significant achievement was its dominance in the 24 Hours of Le Mans. The car won the race in 1970 and 1971, and also achieved success in other racing series such as the Can-Am. The 917's success was due in part to its powerful engine, which was capable of producing over 600 horsepower. The car also benefited from its advanced aerodynamics and sophisticated suspension system. Legacy. The Porsche 917's legacy continues to inspire car designers and enthusiasts around the world. Its iconic design, powerful performance, and racing success have made it one of the most sought-after classic cars on the market. Today, the 917 is a highly valuable collectible, with prices reaching millions of dollars for well-preserved examples. The car's reputation as a racing legend and its timeless design have ensured its place in automotive history. That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe Motovolt channel, and hit that notification bell for more classic car content. See you next time for another classic car adventure. Until then, happy cruising.